Well, the wait is over. Let's take a look at this brand new wig from Envy. Well, Envy Hair has officially launched their new styles, and this is Paige. The color is sparkling champagne. Now, I have kind of sneak peeked this to you for the last several weeks, and I am so glad that they have launched it so we can finally talk about it. So Paige is made from Envy hair. Now, as you know, Envy hair is 70% heat-friendly fibers and 30% human hair. Paige is the classic bob. This has a hand-tied cap, a large mono top. I'm going to show you all of that in a few minutes, but I just wanted you to have a look at this. It's a little longer in the front, giving it that really beautiful, trendy silhouette. Lots and lots of movement, of course, and it has a bang. We all love bangs. Now, this blend of hair, the Envy hair, why I love it. I have shown you Envy hair before. The blend makes this super lightweight. Look at this. Of course, this is no permatease. This is low density bob. Look at this. It has the look and feel of human hair. Absolutely perfection. These blended fibers tend to last longer than human hair. They are so versatile due to the fact that they have heat-friendly fibers. They have style memory. So when you put a style into this, you put some curl into this, you could make this board straight. You could even take this little bit of bend out and make this a very straight board straight style, or you could add curl to this, and due to the fact that it has style memory, it's going to hold that style until you put heat on it again to change it. Now let's take a second and talk about this amazing cap. Lace front, extended lace front, as you can see. Look at the size of this top, the mono top. It is 100% hand tied. Of course, it has closed ear tabs with stays. You will notice that the elastic is covered on this. It has a non-extended felt nape, and it has Velcro adjusters. This cap is absolutely beautiful. Okay, so I want to show you this lace front. I'm going to pull the bangs up so you can get a look at this lace front. It molds beautifully into the skin. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. So you could wear this completely off your face. You could pin this back off if you wanted and wear it just with the lace front. Gorgeous. You can wear the bangs pulled over just like this. I like that too. If you're not crazy about a full bang, you can wear this more in a side swept bang, which is gorgeous as well. This fit me a little large. Envy fits me a little large. I was easily able to get a perfect fit by just using the adjusters. Also, these fibers, this is just, I wish you could feel how soft and silky these fibers are. They're also weather resistant, so they don't react like human hair to the humidity. So you can style this, and again, it has style memory, so it's going to hold a curl however you want to style it, and it does not react to the humidity. Now, the recommendation for washing is every 6 to 8 wears. Of course, that just depends on all the factors, right? The weather, the oils of our scalp. Do you wear a wig cap? Do you not? That all just depends. I try not to overwash my wigs. I know when my wigs need washing, you do too, but that is just a general recommendation. Also, y'all keep in mind with these fibers, with these blended fibers, there is less matting. Now, to style it, I bumped my bangs under just a little bit with the Envy Air Styler. If you haven't tried this, this is a wonderful tool that Envy has put out. I have a video showing how to use it. There are lots of videos out there showing how to use this tool, but I love the brush on this. It also comes with like a curling iron attachment and a big round brush. So it comes with different attachments, but this one is perfect. I really enjoy this, and that's what I use just to bump under the bangs of this wig. They recommend that you can use this on their high heat on this one. For these blended fibers, the recommended heat of this is 285. Keep that in mind. with your styling tools. You can also use a heat protectant on these fibers, and anything you use, you can use shampoo and conditioner that's made for either human hair or synthetic. One thing I also really appreciate is they have added a little bit of human hair to the nape of these wigs, which also will keep them from matting at the nape. So if you've had trouble with heat-friendly fibers matting at the nape, this has some human hair worked around the nape to make that not matte so much in the back. That was a great idea. So let's talk about sparkling champagne. I'm going to drop in some footage of this color. Now this has a base of a strawberry blonde, and I want you to see that. Then it's topped with these gold blonde highlights, so beautifully done on a medium brown root. Now this root is perfection. It is not overdone. It looks a little darker on camera than it does in person. Again, I'm only filming with a ring light and a big bank of windows here. I no longer use big studio lights. I'm trying to give you the best look at color as I can. Look at the rooting. It is so well done on this style. Envy did not miss a thing on this wig. The specs, 4 inches on the bang. Now my bangs are a little long. I will probably trim these, but I appreciate that they do a 4-inch bang because not all of our foreheads are the same height, right? Everybody's forehead's different. Some are longer, some are shorter. So they give us a 4-inch bang, and you can trim those if you need to. I will probably take mine up just a little on this. The sides of this are 6.5. The crown is 11. The nape is 3.75, and this weighs 3.42 ounces. Again, I just feel like they've thought of everything on this wig. I love the blends. I have always enjoyed them. I love the feel and the look of human hair, but I love the versatility that the heat-friendly fibers give us. It's not shiny. It is just absolutely gorgeous. You could use a little bit of this Envy Get Dressed. It's an invisible texturizer and shine dimmer. I use this on my synthetic wigs that take the shine down, but this is not shiny. But this is a great invisible texturizer. You can spray some of this on there, get your hands in there, work it through, and that will, as you know, give you so much movement, separate the fibers, piece them out a little bit if that's what you prefer. I love this. It has a really nice scent. It's not overdone. And you can just get a little more separation or movement. But again, any type of styling products that you prefer, you can use on this. Don't forget, you can just style this in so many ways. I just threw a headband on with mine and took it completely off my face. We were talking about that earlier. But this bang is so versatile, again, with that 4-inch bang, that you can wear this off. I love having options like this. Don't have to wear a full bang if I don't want to. I can sweep it to the side I want to, or I can easily just wear it in a full bang, which is so cute as well. Always looking for wigs with bangs. Y'all, this is a special style. I hope you will consider it. I want to thank Envy. They provided this to me to review for you today. I will have a link in the drop down box where you can get this and save a little money on this if you would like to. Y'all, if you're considering a blend, look at this wig. I think you will absolutely love it. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.